Hello, there is a new process to sign up for orientation shifts. I have sent you an email. In the email there are 2 links, and each link will get you to a place where you can sign up for orientations. The first link, let's click on that one. That will open a new browser window, and you can see all the different shifts available now for new student orientation. All you have to do is see this one. This is an orientation shift for Reg Prep Day from 10:30 to 2:45 p.m. and that is on Tuesday, February 13th. So I like that. I'll click sign up, and then I can either sign in with Facebook or I can use my email and then continue to sign up. Just fill out the different fields, and that's the only thing you have to do. I'm going to go ahead and click sign up with Facebook and fill in the fields and then click save and done. That's the only time I have to do that. For all the other times I sign up, then I am just going to be able to see when I click it, I have signed up for it. Now, say I can't make the whole entire shift, then I can add a comment here. And so you just, if you can't see that part, you click on the title of the shift, and then in the comments type in the time you can make. Try to make it for the whole time though, please. And then you click add comment, and then that is how you do that. Now if you want to add these to your calendar, and you can click add to Outlook, you can also swap. So say you can't make it anymore, then you can click swap request and select another orientation leader that you've talked to already, and you know that they can make it for you. If you do need to cancel, you do need to call, text, or and email Candace and I, and then you can remove yourself. Okay, but don't just remove yourself without contacting us first. Thank you. You know how to do that. Now let's look at the other link. The other link was the calendar view. So in the calendar view, that will open up a shared calendar, and on that calendar you can see the different shifts laid out in a month-to-month format. For example, say you would like to sign up for this afternoon orientation shift. You'd click on that, it has some information here, and then you'd click in the description where it says sign up. And it takes you right to the signup.com page, and you can continue as yourself if you're logged in, and then it'll say that you've signed up for that shift. Again, if you need to swap or need to make a note of when you are actually going to make it there, then go ahead and add that comment. If you lose track of the email that is sent to you, you can go to the Orientation Leader Job Board, and under Scheduling Shifts, there's a new card where it has a link to the calendar where the orientation shifts are. Also, if you forget how to log into Trello, you can go to the Lincoln Land homepage, click on Orientation. On the left, click on Orientation Leaders, and there's actually a copy of that shared calendar there as well. And you can do the same thing with that. Click sign up, and then sign up for your shifts. Feel free to give me a call or send me an email or a text message. All right, have a great day. Bye-bye.